Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about Numpy array iterating. Okay. So what it means is iterating means going through the elements one by one. Okay. So we can do this thing easily using the basic for loop only. So here is the program. Okay. Import numpy as np arr, that is the variable equal to np.array, and we have a single dimension array only, and then using for loop we are printing. So control s f5. See, we are getting 1 2 3. Now iterating through two-dimensional arrays. Okay, so here only suppose like one more square bracket and then comma and 4 5 and 6 and then 2 times closing bracket, that is the two-dimensional. Control s and f5. See, we are getting answer of this two-dimensional array, but not in the form of normal numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6, each numbers in a new line. No, it is in the form of one dimension, like 1 2 3 as a one, and then 4 5 6 as what, second. But if you want each number in a new line, then you can use two for loops instead of one for loop. Okay, so here obviously for x in array, and after that for y in and x. Okay, and then we'll keep this line over here, and it will be now print y, not x. So control s and f1. See, now we are getting what, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and same way we can go ahead with the three-dimensional also. But the problem over here is, like even if I try over here three-dimensional, okay, then I will require three for loops, not the two for loops. Okay, so we can solve this problem by using nd iteration function. Okay, so obviously what is the use of this nd iteration function? It can be used from your very basic level to very advanced level of iteration. Okay, so how to use, that is very important. So suppose you have many numbers. Okay, like for example this one only, it is a two-dimensional, but we have used two for loops. So now instead of two for loops, what we can do is we can write for x in. Okay, now we have to write over here, okay, numpy, that is np, and then we have to write dot, and it will be nd. Okay, and iteration means iter function, and then inside the bracket we have to write the variable name, that is this one, arr. Okay, and then colon, and then next line you can write print x. So this will accept any dimension of array, because if you will not use this method, then if it is 3 dimension, 4 dimension, 5 dimension, we have to write 5 for loop, 4 for loop, or 3 for loops. But using this, it will accept any dimension, and you will get your number, each and every number in a new line. Control S F5. See, that is the best part of ND iteration function. Thank you everyone.